How to transfer WhatsApp from Samsung to iPhone. This tutorial shows you how to move all your chats, media, and messages from your Samsung to your new iPhone. First, make sure both your Samsung and iPhone are fully charged and connected to a stable Wi-Fi. Next, on your iPhone, during the setup process, reach the Apps and Data screen. Following that, tap on Move Data from Android to begin the migration. Now, on your Samsung device, download and install the Move to iOS app from the Google Play Store. Moving forward, open the Move to iOS app on your Samsung and tap Continue. Afterwards, tap Agree to accept the terms and conditions. In addition to that, tap Next on the Find Your Code screen. Once there, your iPhone will display a 6 or 10-digit code on the screen. Subsequently, enter this code on your Samsung device to establish the connection. Moreover, on your Samsung, select WhatsApp from the list of data you want to transfer. Afterwards, make sure WhatsApp is updated to the latest version on both devices. Then, the Move to iOS app will begin transferring your WhatsApp data, including chats, photos, and videos. Within this process, keep both devices close together and don't use them until transfer completes. Alternatively, this may take several minutes or hours depending on your WhatsApp data size. Once the transfer is complete, set up your iPhone and install WhatsApp from the App Store. Then, open WhatsApp on your iPhone and verify your phone number using the same number from your Samsung. Within the setup, WhatsApp will detect the transferred data and prompt you to restore your chats. And that's it. If this WhatsApp migration guide helped you switch to iPhone smoothly, give it a like, subscribe for more device transfer tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.